There are hundreds, if not thousands, of PDF readers out there. So it can be overwhelming for students or even professionals when choosing the right PDF reader that fits all their needs. For today's video, we partnered up with a Firstsoft PDF, a fast and light PDF editor, to show you all of its features, advantages, and pricing options to help you decide if this PDF reader is the one for you. If you are someone who loves watching unboxing videos, tutorials, and informative videos like this one, consider subscribing, because I upload fun and exciting videos regularly. So the first thing I did is to go to their official website, which is at pdf.aFirstsoft.com. Then from there, I've downloaded the APK. After installing it, the first thing that I liked about it is that it doesn't take up too much of my disk space. It only took up about 5 gigs, which is not a lot, considering that other PDF editors usually takes up 8 to 10 gigs of storage. This also has a drag and drop option, which is really convenient. So I have here a sample PDF file, and all you have to do is to drag and drop it here to open the file. So let me just log into my account so that I can show you all of the features. Just type your registered email here and then your password. Okay, so going back to our file, we have multiple viewing options. You can select the full screen mode, which puts your file in this black background. If you'd like a more isolated reading setup for less distractions, there is also a single page scrolling, which is a more traditional way to browse through the pages using our mouse wheel. Or you can also click on this hand icon to give you more control over the speed when moving through the pages. If we click on the Page tab, we also have the option to either rotate, delete, or rearrange these pages to our preference. Now, in terms of editing, if we click on the Edit tab, it automatically identifies and segregates groups of words or phrases into these box clusters, which makes editing easier. And it's not just titles and subtitles. As we browse through this file, you can see that it also works with tables and with paragraphs. So if we want to edit this portion, just click on it, and then it allows us to change the font style, size, or even add some text. The Comment tab gives us the power to annotate the contents of our file. We can highlight, underline, put a strike-through effect, and make use of stickers. So we have a bunch of options here. Some are a Firstsoft originals, a couple of holiday theme stickers, some numbers, pins, and moods. So if we select this one, we can place it here, and then we can also adjust the size. We also have an OCR function that allows us to convert scanned documents into editable files. When you're done editing, we have the option to convert our file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even to image formats by clicking on this pop-up bubble on the upper right. You can also use the power of AI by utilizing a Firstsoft's AI feature, where you can summarize your file, have a Q&A about the article, or even translate foreign languages on your file. For now, let's see if it can summarize our PDF file about coffee. And if you are not satisfied with your work, or you feel like your article lacks substance, we can always ask our AI to expound the topic a little bit more. They also have a web version where you can view PDF files, share PDF files with multiple users for simultaneous viewing, which can come in handy, especially if you're working as a group. So having this multiple terminal integration gives you an advantage in accessing your files into multiple platforms with just a single subscription. You don't need to pay extra to use the desktop version and the web version. A single subscription gives you access to both. As of shooting this video, both the Android and the iOS version are not yet available, but these are currently in the works and will be available in the future. Also, The current version of the Firstsoft AI only works within the bounds of the open PDF file. So that means that you cannot ask anything beyond the information that is available within your file. Unlike what we usually do with AI language models like ChatGPT. But don't worry, because more updates can be expected in the future to support chat, research, and other things outside of our files. Finally, about the pricing. Firstsoft offers multiple payment packages. You have the option to avail of their half-year plan, 1-year plan, and 3-year plan. And if you want to enjoy an exclusive 30% discount, you can click on the link on the description box, as well as the one that I'll put in the pinned comments. So that's the end of our video, and I hope it helped you in your quest to find the perfect PDF to suit your needs. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.